In this video, I'm about to show you Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effect is a popular teeth whitening product designed to provide a professional level whitening at home. The straps are meant to be applied to the teeth for 30 minutes per day. The straps are suitable for individuals looking for professional quality results without the high cost of an office treatment. The straps are enamel safe when used as directed, and they have been tested by dentists. The product comes with 20 treatments, 10 upper and 10 lower straps. It's designed for single use. The recommended duration for full results is about 20 days, though some users may see visible results in as little as 3 days. This strap contains hydrogen peroxide, which helps to remove tough stains and discolorations from the surface and deeper layers of your teeth. Overall, Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effect will whiten teeth by up to 10 shades in 20 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.